In today's video, I am going to teach you how to publish a Smartsheet. First, begin by opening the Smartsheet file that you want to publish. Make sure you are working in the correct sheet, because publishing will make your sheet available based on the sheet you are currently viewing. Once your sheet is open, you will want to switch to Grid or Table View. This is the view that displays your data in a familiar spreadsheet format, which makes it easier to confirm that everything looks right before you share it. On screen, you should see your rows and columns laid out clearly, with your sheet content visible in a table-like structure. Now, take a moment to verify that the sheet is ready to publish. Even though the publishing process is straightforward, it helps to do a quick check. Look for anything you might want to adjust, such as column names, important values, or any items that should be included. If you have been editing your sheet, this is also a good time to confirm that your latest changes are visible in Grid or Table View. When you are satisfied with what you see, you can proceed with publishing. Next, you will click the Publish icon in the right sidebar. The right sidebar is usually where Smartsheet places sharing and workflow tools, so this is a consistent location to look for. When you focus on the right side of the screen, locate the Publish icon. It may look like a publish or sharing control, and it is typically placed near other publishing-related options. Clicking that icon is the action that begins the process, so it is important to make sure you are selecting the correct button. After you click the Publish icon, Smartsheet will guide you through the publishing options. At this point, you do not need to worry about complicated steps, because the instruction here is simply to continue from there. Just click that. In other words, you should proceed using the default flow that appears after you open the publishing controls. If there are prompts or confirmations on screen, follow the basic prompts to complete the publish action. The goal is to take your sheet from private or internal use to a published state based on the controls Smartsheet provides in that panel. Then, once you have selected the Publish option, you will confirm that publishing has started or completed successfully. You may see a confirmation message, or the interface may update to indicate that the sheet is now published. This part matters because it tells you that your sheet is no longer just sitting in edit mode, and that it is ready to be accessed according to the publication settings you used. If you see any status change, read it carefully so you understand what is now active. Finally, you are done. You have opened the sheet in the correct view, you located the Publish icon in the right sidebar, and you clicked through to publish. This is one of those tasks where most of the time is spent simply finding the right menu and making sure the sheet looks correct before you share it. The actual publishing action is quick. Once you reach the right spot in the interface, that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.